Mr. Golden, can you come up to assist in presenting this one? I want to call Mr. Carlton Robinson. Come on, man. Come on, man.
Labour.
The party leader's longest serving award is actually a tied award because we have 4 of our current workers who have met the criteria. Only Carlton is present today. The plaque says party leader's longest serving award presented to Carlton Robinson in recognition of 45 years of unwavering dedication, loyalty, and invaluable service to the Jamaican Labour Party and St. James West Central constituency. Your enduring commitment and contributions have helped shape our movement and strengthen our mission. With heartfelt appreciation, we honor your legacy of service. Mr. Robinson also meets the other criteria, and so this St. James West Central constituency certificate of recognition is presented to Carlton Robinson for your dedicated service to party and country in advancing the democratic process, because that is what it is when you work in elections. You're advancing the democratic process.
First of all, ladies and gentlemen, laborites, I was in this party from I was 20 years old. I used to wear jacket and tie to go to stadium, drive and train go, and I'm so grateful for this opportunity to be part of the room.
So the other recipients are John Gooden of Guava Walk, Laurel Lewis of Tucker, and Zuki Wright of Catherine Hall. We have a Worker of the Year award. Now there are some workers in thick and thin, rain or shine, you call them and they're ready. They work behind the scene, on the scene, and I am pleased to present the Worker of the Year award to June Althea Williams.
We
I'm thankful for this. Thank you, Smalley, to make it possible. It was Miss Shuckleberg back in Salem. She has died. She's the one who bring me into this for so many years. And I've dedicated myself. Any much o'clock they can call me, I will be there. Rain or sun. Thank you, Smalley.
Jamaica! Let us vote for better Jamaica! In this election!
Other categories. We have been canvassing for the last year and a half. And we have some of our workers who have come in and they know every single person on the PD list. They know full name, alias, who they're related to, who the new voters are, when they came into the community, whether they voted for the first time, if they voted in the last election or which election they sat out in. And is Jenny Pattison of Moy Hall. Body on our feet in the We also have another champ, Ingrid Carr. Ingrid from the Granville Division. All of the people there. Come on, Ingrid. We also have an enumerator of the year. Believe it or not, our dear Alpha Gordon. Norma McKnight, stand up and be recognized.
Gwendolyn Reed. Let's hear it for Gwendolyn. Henry McFarlane. Is this Henry coming? Put up your hand, Henry. Let's hear it for Henry.
Yes, we're building a better future together. Stay true no matter the weather. JLB standing tall through every planet, school and road. From hardships to hope, we've been paving the way. The very best of Jamaica starts today. And so we pledge our hearts to a portable path. We've been going strong and we're just getting started. Our leadership will stand to the right foot.
Adriana Earl. Come here, Adriana. Let's hear it for Adriana. Liberate. Asaya Sona Campbell. Asaya Sona Campbell. Missy. Labor rights, let's hear it for Missy Pennant. Let's hear it from Missy. Come on.
No, we never said life would happen overnight.
Anthony Bowen.
Make the future right. We play the
Anthony Brown.
We've been going strong and we're just getting started. A leadership who stands to the right for power. The greener grass is red, the better choices.
Labor rights, yes, yes, Anthony.
Choose Jamaica for our prosperity. Choose Jamaica, this is what this really means. Choose Jamaica, choose Jamaica.
Next awardee is Miss Lily Sharp. Come in, Lily.
No, we never said life would happen overnight. Still we laid the foundation to make the future right. We play the hearts to uphold our power. We've been going strong and we're just getting started. A leadership who stands to the right for power. The greener grass is red, the better choice is clear. Choose Jamaica.
Let's hear it from Merlin. No one ever right. Next we have Claudette Ferguson.
Choose Jamaica, choose
And next we have Killington Mackenzie. Next we have Loven Campbell.
We pledge our hearts to uphold our power. We've been going strong and we're just getting started. Our leadership will stand to the right for power. The greener grass is
Next we have Lisa Williams.
choose Jamaica, better community. Choose Jamaica, choose Jamaica. Choose Jamaica.
Never right. Never right. Sarah. There's no question about it. I don't think the SMP in the West.
The foundation to make the future right. We play the choose Jamaica. Choose Jamaica. We're on a mission to lift up our communities. Jamaica Labour Party building
This one is special for me. There is one person in West Central who stick on to me like chewing gum. Me and she is like two gumbo peas in one pot. And for my have been associated with this constituency, she has always been by my side. Loyal, faithful, labor right to the core.
Big up Mr. Golden, big up Edward Siaga already dead, I've got me a Barker. Every time, third term, 60 seats we are get until he gets 3, and he's dead.
William.
Mercedes, man. And man said, just give me your name first, Sarah. Because we got your number. Give me your name. So I said, all right. Spell it LOTTOSCAMMER. He said, what? I said, LOTTOSCAMMER.
Yeah.
It's a lot of scam. Boy! I'm gonna say, you never know, say that you talk to you. Think you idiot. Oh, you try phone. The man cussing some wara the night. I never said to myself, so how will you break so? You try to scam me. And when me catch you, you cuss me. Auntie Babsy, as for the political scammer them stay. As for the political scammer them stay. Them good. When them done with you, they will make you think so you win a Mercedes. But if you don't have the information to know, they will scam them come to scam you. You will get catch. So how do you know who is a political scammer? Well, let me tell you three things. And I'm not going to tell you the whole of the PMP is full of political scammers. Because, hold on, because the PMP that I see today is not Norman Man the PMP. It's not Michael Man the PMP.
Risers.
Because this kind of facts